Hey guys, today I'm introducing you to the new winter feeder that I got last week. There, it has 4 suction cups so it can stick right under your window. And I put sunflower seeds and lots of seeds in there. And I used the Katy nut and fruit blend, which is specially blended for woodpeckers, cardinals, grosbeaks, and juncos and more. Cardinal right here, and a woodpecker here, and last but not least, the nuthatch. So let me show you guys a view of the feeder. So here's the plants. And here is the back. You can read it and pause the video. And here's the hopper feeder, which attracts birds, but the most attractive one is the platform feeder and also the tube feeder. Guys, there's a blue jay, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So, I'll see you in my next bird video. I'll keep an update. Bye.